Hello viewers. A lot of users want to know whether they should buy iPhone 13 in 2024. After iPhone 13, iPhone 14 and 15 series currently running in the market. So should you buy iPhone 13 in this scenario? Moreover, the price of iPhone 13 is at the lower side during offers and sale. So is it a value for money in 2024 to buy? Though iPhone 13 is a 2 years old device, it has some good features. Like this device comes with 6.1 inches XDR OLED display and the display is superb quality. You can see that HDR content on YouTube looks amazing. Moreover, it has a peak brightness of 800, so you will not have any kind of problem in using this device. Moreover, iPhone 13 comes with 12 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. It takes excellent photo. The smaller form factor of iPhone 13 makes it a very good device to hold. Using the cameras of iPhone 13, you can take photos, videos of excellent quality. Also, you can take portrait photos and also cinematic videos. It is known to all that iPhone has the best camera setup when it comes to videography. Also, in photography, you can see that it has optimum amount of detail in the photo. And also, you can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS in the videography section. Here you can see that there is option of 4K 60 fps and 4K 24 fps. So if you want to buy this iPhone 13 for the purpose of making videos, then you will definitely going to be happy with the performance of iPhone 13's camera. Let me give you an idea about the camera and the videography and the stabilization, so you can understand by yourself how is the camera quality of iPhone 13. While shooting videos, iPhone 13's camera produces natural color, there is no added saturation and the stabilization is at the higher side. So you will get a very good footage with this camera. Moreover, iPhone 13's camera can shoot cinematic videos in 1080p 30 fps. If you want to use it in portrait video or in cinematic video, you can use this feature and get a good result out of your camera. You can see that the background has been blurred out and there is a very good effect while shooting this kind of shots. Moreover, there is slow motion camera. In the slow motion section, you can see there is two options, 120 fps and 240 fps. In 240 fps, the slow motion effect will be increased and you will have a more slow-mo video. You can see here, though there is some jitteriness, after update it will be fixed. So in terms of camera quality, especially in videography, iPhone 13 has no competitor. No Android smartphone can compete in videography department with iPhone 13 or any other iPhones. Now coming to the software department, it comes with iOS 17.3 as of now and it will get more updates in coming future, so you don't have to worry about the future updates. You are already future proof in terms of getting software updates. Now, one more thing that is excellent in iPhone 13 is the battery life. It produces excellent battery backup and I have a battery backup and battery health of 88%. iPhone is maintaining 88% of battery health for about 6 months, which is excellent. So these are some factors that might lead you to buy iPhone 13 in 2024. And one more thing about iPhone 13 is the pricing. If you get this device to buy under 40,000 rupees, you can consider it, though iPhone 14 is also available around 50,000 rupees and iPhone 14 is much better than iPhone 13 because there you can get 6 GB of RAM and also action mode in the camera department. So you have to decide whether you want to pay 50,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. Under 40,000 rupees, iPhone 13 is a value for money product. So this is it. If you have any question regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.